Hey friends, and welcome to the channel. My name is Katie. I'm a registered dietitian and certified personal trainer, new certified yoga teacher as well. And today we're going to be doing a really fun combination of moves. We're combining traditional yoga moves with some strength training using light weights. I'm going to be using 3 pounds, but you can also use 5-pound weights if you want to amp it up a little bit and add a little more strength to this routine. And if you're interested in what I'm using for dumbbells, WeGym is my absolute favorite for the safe grip dumbbells from 2 pounds to 20 pounds. So definitely check them out in the description below using my code DBN10 for 10% off. We're gonna start with a quick warm up and then go into 2 sets of 3 moves. And then we'll end with 2 moves on the floor to really burn your glutes. Start with your feet hip width apart, pointing your toes out 45 degrees to the edges of your mat. Squat down and lift, raising those arms, clap together at the top. So nice low squat. Squeezing the glutes at the top. We're warming up the whole body. Because even though this is yoga, which is a little on the lighter side, and something that I typically do on an active rest day, it's still a pretty good burner. Still yoga sculpt, so it's gonna burn the whole body and you're gonna feel it after. All right, just a few more seconds here. Amazing job. 2 and 1. Next, we're gonna keep that same squat position, but bring the arm up and over. Opposite side, kind of like a Jane Fonda video. Stretch it out. Feel a nice stretch in the side body. For a little extra oomph, you can point the opposite leg. Get a little extra power in that move. A little twist, if you will. Perfect. 10 more seconds. I'm already feeling it. All right, finish up that last side. Perfect. First move, we're gonna grab your dumbbells. So I have my 3 pounds. Again, you can use heavier if you'd like. And we're gonna lunge it out. So right leg goes back for this one. Scoop the arms up into a bicep curl. 45 seconds on the clock. Man, after that warm up, my legs are already feeling shaky. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Shake it out. Now bring the left leg back. Same thing. Curled arms. You might be feeling it in the biceps now. Lower the knee. Keep the hips straight and center. Feet like train tracks. And if your front leg feels a little wobbly, just try to keep it center with your toe. 2 and 1. Up to the top. Beautiful. Next, we're gonna point the toes to the top of the mat. Hinging the hips, bringing the arms up and overhead. And coming back, standing up, shoulders down, reset. Arms up and overhead, level with the floor, bring it back, squeeze the glutes. tuck the chin into the chest. There's my laundry in the background. Nice home ambiance. Right now I'm filming this while my little one is napping, so proof that you can make some time for yourself and practice self-care even in the busiest of chapters. 2 more, 2 and 1, perfect. Not to say that you have to make time right away postpartum, because trust me, I know the challenge of that, but I've always found that it makes me feel my absolute best if I make sure I make time for myself and exercise so I can show up better for my family. All right, next move, we're gonna step into a goddess squat, similar to the squats that we did in our warm-up. So we're going to point the toes out, squat down, and this time bring the arms up into a crescent moon shape on each side and stand. So squat down, overhead, squeeze the glutes, and stand back up. All right, 1 minute on the clock, and you're ready to go. If you need to make this a little bit more simple, you can drop the weights. Keep the knees pointing out towards the toes. Keep the core engaged. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, shake it out. You deserve a break. You can grab a sip of water if you'd like, and meet me back here in 10 seconds. All right, we're gonna grab the weights again, bringing it back to the lunge and curl. Right leg goes back and curl to the top. I like to breathe out when I come down. Inhale when I come up. Keep that nice flow going. What else can you do today to take care of yourself, to make time for your health? 3, 2, and 1. Bring it up to the top. Shake it out for a second. Ooh, I'm really feeling it in the right leg. Even that back leg is doing work. Now left leg back, curl, and extend. This one you can also do without weights if you'd like. Or to amp it up, you can increase the weights. 3, 2, and 1. Now let's face that top of the mat. Arms up and out. Overhead. Say, good morning, world. I'm ready to tackle whatever comes. Feel it in the shoulders. A little stretch in the hamstrings. Don't forget to tuck the chin. This one really feels good with heavier weights. And I don't know about you, but my hamstrings are tight this morning. So I'm giving a little bend to the knee, no big deal. 2 more. 2 and 1. Give yourself a little second to take a breath, breathe it out, grab a sip of water, and get ready for that squat overhead crescent moon. Toes pointed out, arms overhead. Breathe at the bottom. Exhale at the bottom, inhale at the top. Just 20 more seconds. You got this. If you need to take a pause, that's okay. 2 more. And 1. All right, bring it down to the floor. All you're gonna do is come to a tabletop, tuck the dumbbell behind the left knee. You're gonna lift the knee up and back, toe pointed 90 degrees. Bring the knee down and up. And we have Maya coming here to join us to cheer us on. So get your stance, fingers out wide for a nice sturdy tabletop, and kick it up. Beautiful. You can of course take the weight off if you'd like to do just body weight. Increase the weight for a more of a challenge, and lower the weight if you want a little bit of a burn. 3, 2, and 1. Switch legs, so transfer that dumbbell if you have one. Make sure it's tucked in nice and tight. And lift opposite side. Pointing the toes towards your mat. This one is good to make sure you're spreading your fingers evenly. Your weight is still evenly distributed between hips, so you're not wobbling to one side. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Great job. Okay, the next one you can actually put the weight to the side. Same tabletop position. Bring the leg up and out, pointing the toe as far as you can, parallel to your hips. And then we're gonna swing it back nice and slow. Tuck it behind the right heel and swing it back, keeping the hips nice and steady, the core nice and tight, so you're not swinging the center of your body. You're just bringing the leg up and over. I like to keep a nice squeeze in the glutes. For a modification, you can bring the toes back and forth without too much of an arch. And for an advance in this pose, you can add ankle weights. That really feels good. 2 more. 2 and 1. Beautiful. Now we're gonna switch sides. So bring your right leg up and over. swing up and back. We have Maya here to join us, as always. She likes to insert herself in whatever video I'm doing. Let's do 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bring your seat back to the heels. Rest in child's pose. Flip it onto your back. Roll down and bring your left knee to chest. Opposite side, right knee to chest, left leg comes straight. My little partner woke up just in time to complete this workout. Trust me, if you're a parent or a mom or dad or anyone who's got a busy life going, I know there's many different forms of that. I know how much time and energy and dedication that it takes to make time for yourself and to work out and to just prioritize your needs sometimes, because as much as it feels selfish, as much as even I struggle to make videos like this one, it's worth it in the long run because you're doing what's best for you and what's best for your family. So thank you, no matter if you are in your family chapter or not, for joining me for this workout. I really appreciate you. Make sure to leave in the comment section below what type of workout you would like to do with me next. If you have any preferences for strength or yoga, or if you enjoyed this yoga sculpt. And I hope that you have an amazing rest of your day. I will see you in the next workout. Bye guys. Hey fluffy butt. Everybody's joining me for my workout today.